I'm really excited about this double three-tier hummingbird feeding system. It's been very popular. What's neat about it is that once the hummingbirds come in and start to defend their territory, you can separate it apart and make it really hard for them. Hang this over another part of the house, and it's hard for them to defend two territories. So you should be able to attract more hummingbirds and they'll be happy. And the other fun thing is, once they start coming to that feeder, you can take this out and hold it in your lap and get to see your hummingbirds close up. So come by our store soon, take a look at it. I have a few left. It's only $39. It's a great deal.